Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and this is the new JBL speaker. As you see, this is the new JBL Partybox 520, and I just received this speaker. So I am very glad that I will make the unboxing, and I will give you at the end of this video my first impressions about this amazing speaker. I was expecting this speaker for a long time, but it finally come, and I am very curious how loud it is, how is the bass, how is the sound, how is the everything, because in my opinion this is the best party speaker on the market, because it should have amazing sound with an internal battery. Let's see it. So inside of the box we see here the speaker. It is very heavy, and to open it you need to do this. Okay, so inside of the small box we have only two power cables and no mic, and of course the manuals that no one reads. And now let's see the speaker, because I am very curious. So this is the new JBL Partybox 520. It looks amazing. Now let's start it, because it has an internal battery that lasts up to 15 hours of playing time. Okay, so first we will see that it has the same lights as the JBL Partybox 320. It has the same logo, it has the same LED bar on the top and on the bottom, it has the same LEDs here. Now let's see on the top. It has the equalizer for the microphone, it has
Let's party!
It has this small DJ pad, it has the Bluetooth AuraCast multi-connection button, the bass boost that has the same two levels. Now let's see the lights. So it should have the same lights as the JBL Partybox 320 that we see on the back. It has the volume, the play and stop button. Okay, on the back we see here that it has these inputs. We recognize this new connection feature, and of course it has the removable battery. I will take it out. It is a big battery, and it says it has 4584 milliamps. So because we take it out, of course the speaker turned off, but we will turn it on again. We see here on the bottom that it has the same wheels as the JBL Partybox 320, and here it is the place where you can connect the legs. So it looks very good. A new feature that it has this big handle, and this speaker has 400 watts of power that comes from two 7.5-inch woofers and two tweeters. I will connect it to the phone and I will play a song. at 100% of the volume to see how it sounds with the settings exactly as it came out from the box. I am very curious what are your impressions, and of course if I will manage to have 200 members on AudioTribe YouTube channel, I will start to make teardowns of the speakers. I have the 520, the 320, the 710, the Ultimate, the JBL Partybox, the Encore 2, so I have many. But help me to make these teardowns because I may damage the speakers. But now let's do the sound test.
The pace when I'm running, I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm flooded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted. Say humble. Now wake up. It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror and he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. Some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
The sound that comes from the JBL Partybox 520, it is amazing. It is very loud. The bass shakes the house. You can definitely feel the bass in the floor of the house. So yeah, it is a big improvement from the JBL Partybox 320. It sounds very good. The sound, it is very balanced. I really love the bass, and the sound test was made only with the battery, you see. So when we will connect this speaker to the power source, of course the sound will be much louder, same as the JBL Partybox 320 or same as every party speaker that have internal battery. I think this will be the best party speaker ever because it is portable, it is versatile, it has the new connection, it has the AudioTribe multi-connection button, it has this amazing light show. So for $850 that it cost, I think this is the new best party speaker on the market. Remember, two 7.5-inch woofers, two tweeters, an amazing light show, removable battery, AudioTribe, everything that you want. So what is your opinion? Do you like this speaker or not? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please
like this video.